Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with another Hot Wheels Ultra Hots. And I wanted this in my collection from very long time, but I haven't got this in my hand yet. So finally, this got delivered today, and this is a 65 Pontiac GTO, and you can see it's a very different color over here, and that's what I liked about this. But you can see how damaged this car I have got, and it's actually not nice. But anyway, we will just open it and see how it is from inside, right? Carefully removed it, and this is a 65 Pontiac GTO, and not that heavy actually, if you ask me. It's very lightweight. I suppose it should have that heaviness of ultra hots, right? So if I show you this one, right over here, the green one, right? So this is our 64 Dodge 330, and if you ask me, this weight of this car is actually pretty heavy because this is of metal body and metal base. But on the other hand, this one I'm seeing, this one is bodies of metal, but the base, it seems plastic. That's why the heaviness I'm not feeling. But anyways, we'll just look at this car now. I'll just zoom in. So yeah, front detailing is nice, a little bit painted only, right? Grayish paint. Top we can see those ultra hots flame. Color is very nice. I like that side GTO written over there. It doesn't have any opening part, but yeah, it's okay. Hot Wheels badging over there. Wheels are of this ultra hots style. Then there is one logo there. Some tail lights are painted. Overall, pretty basic car, must say. Interior is okayish. You can see the side window cut out over there. Just about the color only I like about this car, guys. Other than that, it's very okayish car. I thought it would be heavy like the 64 Dodge, right? But it isn't. But this is the overlook of the car, guys. And yeah, do let me know what you feel about this car. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.